Guys, in honor of Earth Month, I'm doing a new series called How to Use Natural Dyes, and we're using madder root. I picked up this cotton top at the thrift store. Grab aluminum sulfate, a pot, and the garment you're going to dye. Take your pot and just fill it with some tap water. Take it to your stove and just bring that water to a boil. And once your water starts boiling, you can just take your aluminum sulfate and just put in a 2-to-1 ratio. So this top looks like it's about a yard of fabric, so I'm putting in 2 tablespoons of alum. Stir it until it dissolves, and then take a bucket and just pour that alum into the bucket with some water so it cools down a little bit. And it's very important to take your garment and just soak it before putting it in the bath so there's no patchiness when it's absorbing the alum. I stir and let it sit in the bath for an hour. Now for the madder root bath, I'm just taking water and putting it to a boil, and then I add in about 5 tablespoons of this madder root. And you can always add more or less depending on how concentrated you want your color, but I'm adding calcium carbonate to this bath. As you can see, it's going to shift to a super dark red, so it's going to be more intense. I grab another bucket and just pour the madder root bath into it. Then I take my garment out of the alum bath and put it into the madder root bath. I let it soak in this bath for an hour. You can also let it sit overnight if you want it more intense. Just rinse it until the water runs clear, or you can throw it in your washer and then in your dryer. You can do this with any natural fibers. This was the top before and this is it after, and look at how pretty the color is. And it was all thanks to madder root.